alligator. A for airplane. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for boat. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. C for cow. D for dog. D for duck. D for dinosaur. D for drum. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for eye. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F for fan. G for goat. G for grapes. G for gift. G for guitar. H for horse. H for house. H for hat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. I for ink. I for igloo. I for insect. J for juice. J for jelly. J for jeep. J for jacket. K for kite. K for kiwi. K for key. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for ladder. L for light. L for leaf. M for moon. M for mouse. M for monkey. for mango. N for nest. N for net. N for needle. N for necklace. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. O for octopus. P. P for panda. P for pumpkin. P for pen. P for parrot. Q. Q for quiet. Q for quiet. Q for question. Q for quarter. R. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R for rhinoceros. R for rocket. S. S for star. S for snake. S for ship. S for spider. T. T for tiger. T for tree. T for train. T for table. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for unicorn. U for utensils. V. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for van. V for vase. W. W for whale. W for window. W for watch. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. X for Xerox machine. X for xylophone. X for XMAS tree. Y. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zucchini. Z for zigzag. Z for zip. Thanks for watching Learn Kiddos. Please like and subscribe.